Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at this. It's the Sanyipace sewer pipe inspection camera. So let's get down to unpacking it and seeing what's in the box. Here we go then. Get off here. First thing, very important, the instruction booklet. Most important. Put that down over there. That foam on top of there. And we have these bits and pieces here. Have a look. This is like the charging bright. Put it over there. And then we have the actual camera. Get it out. I've took this off because it's getting a bit in the way. I couldn't grab hold of it, so let's take it out properly. Here we have it. And it's the actual device we're interested in. With this little top box here, which we open with our bits and pieces inside. Let's have a look. And we have some screwdrivers. Yep, very handy. And I'm not sure what that is at the moment, but I will get into it in a second. And something else in this bag. Could be the camera. Looks like it could be, yes. And that's a camera. I'll clear them out in a minute so you can see them all. A little clip holder. We'll take that off of there. That looks like one of the protection mounts, but we'll look at closer in a minute. This piece I've unpacked so I could handle it better, just to show you. And this of course is our screen. There then is all the stuff out of the box. Now then, when you take it out of the box, you get this little notice here about fully charging the device, and also that it uses a close focus lens, so it will be blurry distant scenes, okay, but it's quite normal. It's kind of designed to be close up use to examine your soil pipe for cracks and things like that. Okay, when using a magnetic bracket, route the cable through the hole at the back there before connecting, and that's about it. It uses a 1080p camera, so I'm expecting some really fine good results from this. Now we're all charged up, and here is the actual monitor. It's on the back of the stand in here, a little case, and here's the little camera here. I'll put the big protector on, okay, which screws in with two couple of little screws around the outside and locks it in place. I can use this smaller one, and that's this one here, which again it kind of screws on the end of there like so instead of that one. Okay, but I'm going to go for the bigger one. It's just two screws, and you see the screw hole there. Let's get some light, and there's one for it round that way as well. I know I'm having to combat the seagulls here. They're quite noisy at times. If you live on the coast, it's one of our problems, but never mind. I say I can shine that up the garden there and out the window that way, and you'll see that it's not so sharp in the distance. But if I kind of come in on these little plates here, it's quite good. You can see it's quite sharper altogether, and a little twin pack there of Kleenex tissues. Anyway, I think it's time to get the drain covers up and show you what this thing can do. Now then, this drain here is going to be the cover that I'm going to lift, this particular one, and this one is taking away the gutter down pipes on this end of the house. I'll show you where the drain runs to. It starts off here and comes down here. Mr. Seagull's at it again. And there he is, he's always at it. Keep quiet, I'm trying to do a video. Now where was I? Yes, down these steps, past the side of my bungalow, down here, and I've got a load of rubbish to go today for the bin men. And my actual cover's here, it's under this stuff here. If I pull that back, you'll see there's a little flap. Under that is my metal flap. This is where all the drains meet from my house. That's the sewer pipes, we all go into there. So here we are back, we'll get this cover lifted now, shall we? Let's just switch her on again now, we're all set. That's the first screen. That will go off in a second and show the camera there with our lovely LEDs. Okay, just showing this bit for a minute. I know the picture's upside down, I've got to turn it around a minute. But just to take you through all the functions there really. Obviously on and off. That's the menu. And that's the up button and down button really, plus and minus, and you push OK for whatever selection you've made. There's lots of things. So here's the menu, and you can see some of the menu functions: playback, brightness, contrast, colour, loop recording and mirror imaging, where you can turn it around the other way. There is also some extra settings on this page of the menu also. I do like the great thing about it being that you can record video or still pictures. You can record the videos at 3 minutes, which is at it's set at, or up to 5 minutes, and you can also do a recycling of the recording as well. It can be played back on this monitor, or we can take the SD card out, which I haven't showed you yet. It's in there, it goes in that slot right there, and it comes with a 32GB card with it, which is a nice touch. Usually you've got to go and get those separately, haven't we? So let's get on and get this thing down the drain, shall we? So, I had a feeling my guttering wasn't running away too well last year. I think I've just found out why. I've got the cover up. Come and have a look. So there is where my drain head's in there. Go there, there's a few more leaves cleaning out, I can see. But look at my drain. Oh, big golly heck. Okay, so I'm going to leave some of that growing in there, just so you can see with the camera. So it would seem I have some rather bad growth down the drain. It seems to be mainly at this end, luckily, but at least I can show you exactly what they look like down the drain and how bad things can actually get. And I've got to try and now get that lot out of there, which should be fun, shouldn't it? The only good thing really, I guess, is that it does thin out, as you can see as I've gone down the drain there. So it's all up this end, which is not too bad to do. Never mind, get your hand down there. The trouble is I don't like spiders much, and there does seem to be a lot of them down here. Oh no. Now you can really see how bad that is inside that drain. It's completely overgrown with weeds and crap in there. Anybody interested in the specs? Here they are, and it's got quite a range of stuff. It's brilliant, I think. I've never noticed that my soak-away drain was that bad. It was pretty bad, wasn't it? Who knows what yours is like when you think, I don't think I need anything like this, but I think maybe you do. Certainly it's found a blockage for me anyway. I've got still to sort that lot out. Yeah, I've left the weeds in it just for showing you on the camera. What else can I tell you about it? Well, it's got 20 metre coiled leads. You've got quite a length to get down the drains. It's over 60 feet. You can buy longer lengths if you want, but most properties that would be fine. And it's a lovely little high definition screen, and basically it does what it says on the tin. Good job. Other uses though, it's got lots of them. I'll just give you a picture of the uses that it says it does. So okay, I'll give you the links if you're interested in this item. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.